Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on the Huobi wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Huobi wallet application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log into your account. So go ahead and use your login credentials, including your email address and your password or your login code, and you will be taken into this home page. Now, from this home page, if you wish to change your language, you can tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and now you will directly find the language option within this menu. You can also tap on the settings option at the top right, and you will also find the language menu within this page. Go ahead and tap on language, and now you can browse through the list of various languages that are available for the HTX application. Now, if you find your desired language that you want to use, you can simply go ahead and tap on it, and this will immediately apply your selected language to the application. You can come back to this menu at any time and choose your language and change it as many times as you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language within the HTX or Huobi application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.